Are you stuck in the iPhone swipe-a-thon? Do you spend way too much time swiping through page after page on your iPhone looking for that app? Where is it? I know it has a green icon, I think. Maybe it was a blue icon. Thought it was on the third screen, but I can't find it. Never again. Here is the super secret hack that puts a stop to all of that. You must have Siri turned on. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Then at the top of that screen, tap Listen for, then Siri or Hey Siri. Once Siri is enabled, you will never have to spend all that time searching for the app you need. Just say, Siri, open YouTube, or Siri, open Waze. She will open anything on your phone. Siri, open Photos. Siri, open Camera. Siri, open Stopwatch. Let Siri do the walking on your phone. She's ready and willing, and you will never stand and stare at your phone, frustrated out of your mind trying to find that app.